Welcome to EC Addons. In this video we'll look Smooth Scroll Widget. Enhance your website experience with smooth scrolling. Customize scroll duration, enable smooth wheel and touch controls, adjust wheel and touch multipliers, and set vertical or horizontal orientation for seamless navigation. Make sure Enable Widget from Essential Classy tab. Let's jump into Elementor editor and search Smooth Scroll Widget. Controls the scroll animation duration. Lower values make scrolling snappier, while higher values create smoother, slower animations. Smooth wheel, smooth scrolling when using the mouse wheel. Smooth touch, smooth scrolling on touch devices, like mobile or tablets. Wheel multiplier adjusts the scroll sensitivity for the mouse wheel, higher values equals faster scrolling. Touch multiplier adjusts the scroll sensitivity for touch devices.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.